So this one has been making its rounds on Instagram ads. And of course I'm talking about the Smartmike from Sabintek. This was something that my wife, the hula hooper, was really interested in and wanted me to see if they're any good or not. And yeah, you're listening to it right now. This is the Sabintek microphone. And wow, there is a lot more to share about this mic system. So let's get into it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and I love to review cool gear that comes my way, so don't be a stranger. Links to everything will be in the description, plus a surprise link. And just so you know, I'm not here to convince you to buy anything. I just wanted to do this review in case you're looking at the specific product or you're looking for something like this. I just want you to be able to rest assured and know what you're getting because, I mean, you're gonna be listening to this microphone the whole time. And Sabintek is not a stranger to this channel. I've reviewed the Sing mic and the audio mixer and all really cool products. But this one, I think, is the best. And they did send me the Smartmike Plus and the Smartmike Silver to review. So let's just go ahead and see what you get in the box. In the Smartmike Plus box, you get the Smartmike, a dead cat, kind of big, but effective. All right, so now I have the dead cat on, going pretty fast. A lot of wind, like a lot of wind. So if you can hear me, that'd be a miracle. You also get instructions, charging cable, and a smaller foam muff, and an earphone. With the Smartmike Silver, you get the Smartmike. Ooh, it's nice and blue. You also get a big fluffy dead cat, instructions, and a charging cable. They also sent this box here that has a couple of cables so that you can actually plug it directly into a camera or directly into your phone. However, and that's a giant however, one of the coolest things about this is that you don't need any cables to connect it to your phone. You can make it work via Bluetooth. And that's actually how I'm recording this whole thing right now, connected to the phone using Bluetooth. And I think that that's a huge selling point because a lot of people don't really want to deal with plugging in cables and receivers and making sure everything's on. Just having this connect to it and it sounds that good. And that's all thanks to their custom app. Now, let me just show you a little bit about this app because it's pretty awesome. For one, you can connect your smart mic or two smart mics if you have another person in there. That way, if you have two people on a podcast, or maybe you're interviewing somebody, you each get a microphone. And you can also set it so that each one has its own left or right channel. That way, if you need to clean it up or edit certain things out, it is super easy to do. You can really control your video settings, and also you can choose front or back camera, but you can also choose which lens on the back of the camera. Or you can choose both, which is really cool. Like if you were doing an interview and want a side-by-side, so I'm over here and she's over there.
Okay, ready.
All right, so Em, how do you like using the smart mic?
It's good, I like it. I like how small it is.
Yeah.
Like, it's not like a big thing that's really in your face. It's like just super chilled and yeah, it's nice. And I like that it's like, there's no wires or anything like that for what I do. It's like, that would really get in the way.
Or maybe you're walking through an area and you want to be able to narrate it and show yourself on a smaller screen while showing the actual scene on the other side in a bigger screen. But then if I want to really quick, I could just hit a button and switch it completely. So now you see my face in the bigger screen and you see the other side. Yeah. Up there. And you can pick and choose which lens you want to use, like the telephoto, wide angle, ultra wide, or you can have multiple ones in front screen. It's really customizable. So this is using the wide angle and the selfie, but I can easily go ahead and give you zoom, like telephoto and selfie. That way you're using the telephoto lens. Let's say if we're out looking at wildlife and I wanted to talk about it, you know, I can even pinch and zoom in more so. It's digital zoom obviously, but still pretty cool. You can start and stop your recording with this button right here. And as I just found out a second ago, you can actually take calls with this and you can use this as a microphone during your call. And this audio jack isn't just for microphone input, it actually works as a output as well. So you can connect your headphones to it and you can hear your voice and hear somebody else that's on the other line. It has a few filters that you can pop on there and you can really go through and get technical with your mic settings and levels, adding noise reduction and even mixing in music. And to top it off, they give you a teleprompter on this. So you can just copy and paste in the script you want, put it wherever you want on the screen. You can change the text size, color, speed, transparency, and then you're ready. You hit play and it will scroll for you. I don't know why I haven't discovered this smart mic earlier, because that's really cool. Now, one thing that I think would be amazing if Sabintek did this was to be able to live stream from this app. so connect it to YouTube or Facebook. That way you can utilize these picture-in-picture features. That'd be pretty awesome. I would like that a lot. I would actually use that a lot, especially with the mic. Can you hear this? It's really windy. I'm curious as how it's gonna sound. So now you know the sound quality, but that's what it sounds like connected directly to the phone. So now let's hear what it sounds like connected to the GoPro. So this is what it sounds like plugged into the GoPro. Now, if you have another microphone, you actually hold that button down for 10 seconds and it turns it into the receiver. Then you can go out of that into your camera. So right now with the GoPro, I'm using the media mod, but this would also work with any other camera or device that has an auxiliary input. I actually didn't think I would have that much to say about this mic system, but I'm a big fan now. Emma is using it for all of her new tutorials on her channel and she loves it. I think the fact that you can just use this one microphone without having to worry about plugging it in and having receivers and all of that other stuff, it's just so convenient just to have that one thing to turn on and you know what you're getting.
Spin the hoop nice and flat around our belly and push forwards and backwards.
And even for her, it's really nice because you could just clip it in and it's out of the way, especially for her type of content. And with this audio jack, you can actually connect other microphones to it as well. So if you want an external microphone or lavalier, that will work. But there we go. If you're in the market for something like this, I actually highly recommend it. It's very easy and effortless to just hook up to your phone and the app is fantastic. So I hope this review was very helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that button right there. And I have a lot more reviews coming out all the time on this channel. So do check out some of the other stuff on the screen. And again, thank you so much for the love and support and helping grow this channel, all of the new subscribers and everybody watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.